India has been high on MSD for the last decade. Lot gets said about his ability to finish games, his power-packed, unorthodox stroke play. The helicopter shot in itself, one of his lasting contributions to the aviation industry. But one quality of his, which I really admire, is his calm approach to leadership. Without doubt, he has been one of the finest captains ever, especially in the limited over formats. And where he gets his edge is from the position he mans on the pitch, that of the wicketkeeper. This vantage point allows him to stay always close to the action, close enough to see what the ball is doing, close enough to read the mindset and mood of the opposition, close enough to always stay in control. Flashback to the 2016 World Cup T20 tournament and a crunch game against Bangladesh. The Bangladeshi players had played out of their skins and were in a winning position. But Dhoni had other plans. First, he stumped the dangerous Shabir Rahman, uncannily foreseeing that the batsman's toe would momentarily hover, a moment straight out of street cricket. Then, with one run needed off the last ball to tie the game, Dhoni had his sprinting boots on long before anyone else had assimilated the situation. He had seen the play, anticipated what would happen, had one glove off, and was on the move before the ball even left the bowler's hand. India ran out winners by 1 run. Over the years, Dhoni excelled at putting himself in the opposition's position and trying to predict how they might act. He has always tried to figure out how they would think in any situation. And that was to India's advantage. Aerosmith sang "Take Me to the Other Side," a rock song which has lingered over the years. But where it strikes the right notes when it comes to creativity and innovation is in telling us the importance of viewing things from the perspective of the audience we are trying to influence. Many think creativity and innovation are processes which start within a company. However, organizations which develop an attitude of beginning the creative process with an appreciation of the customer's side of things tend to do much better. Much of these companies who are good at this, seeing things from the customer's position aspect involves actively asking and seeking questions, challenges and problems that they can overcome for their audience. They keep asking themselves, how can I make this easier for them? Sometimes that question also gets tweaked to, can this process be more fun? There are scores of rituals in the world which, whilst mandatory, tend to become blind or deaf spots when it comes to attracting people's attention. Least of all, these are ignored by people for whose benefit they are being undertaken in the first place. Eventually, creativity and innovation only tend to be meaningful if they end up adding value to the lives of people. Hence, developing an attitude of slipping into their shoes and getting under the fabric of customers' clothes is absolutely important to develop, even if sometimes this might result in some truly steep laundry bills. E-commerce had been around in India for a while, but it was Flipkart which saw that Indians were still very uncomfortable when it came to using their credit cards online. But they were very comfortable transacting in cash. Flipkart's cash on delivery feature was a real game changer. It gave the Indian consumer loads of convenience. Now Indians could select and browse from the vast options online and pay safely offline. The e-commerce revolution really kick-started with that innovation. But they did not end there. Understanding the importance of touch, feel, and choice in the buying process, Flipkart knew that sometimes people might get disappointed when they sampled the actual product firsthand. Hence, they introduced an easy returns policy, which enabled people to send back products, no questions asked, for whatever reason. No wonder many Indians chose to flip their offline shopping carts and chose to refill them online at Flipkart. Think of airline in-flight safety instructions. These tend to be as engaging as listening to the sound your television set makes when the transmission gets disconnected. And yet Southwest Airlines found a way to make it more interesting for the hapless passengers. There have been instances where a member of the cabin crew has rapped out these instructions. This segment has also featured some fantastically witty one-liners which passengers carried back, such as, "Our smoking section is on the wing. If you can light him, you can smoke him." Also in the context of using the oxygen mask in the case of an emergency. First put on your own, then assist your child. If you have more than one kid, pick the one you love more. Needless to say, their efforts in this direction have become the stuff of marketing legend. They have also gone a long way in further cementing the positive impressions passengers already had of this airline. People do appreciate it when you show them that you understand what they are going through and then do something to lighten their burden. Just goes to show how important looking at the picture from across the table really is. Not just when it comes to creativity and innovation, but also in just about every aspect of our lives. It opens the doors of our mind, which have been shut by dogmatic thinking. It enables us to have wonderful moments of epiphany because we understand what the real problem is. It allows us to become better, more effective people. Always take into account what the audience exposed to your idea or service might be feeling. On that note, I hope this film was an entertaining watch for you.